All right, let's make our Miso Sansho marinade. First, we're going to start with the red miso. All of the quantities are in the notes. Okay. I'm going to try to get all of this out of there if I can. There we go. Now we're going to add the Sansho pepper and sesame oil. Sake and the mirin. Now, miso is a little bit hard to mix up, okay? There are more efficient ways to do it than I'm doing right now. In fact, I think I showed one in my Tanjiro lesson, which is based upon the only thing on the menu at the Midnight Diner. That's Netflix's Midnight Diner, Japanese language series. Okay, we're going to mix this up until all of the miso is incorporated and the Sansho pepper is incorporated. You could use a stick mixer or an immersion blender to do this. That would probably be the better way to do it. It would go faster, but I'm doing it with a spoon.